I was really surprised because it looks so cool.
Because it was so big and we
Said, wow, that's a lot bigger in here.
I made a face like when I saw the gym.
oh my gosh, this is my school. It was just shocking to see how more advanced this place is.
The school feels a lot brighter and more active and creative.
Looking around makes you feel good and positive and kind of builds you up.
There's still that sense of community and there's still a closeness, but there's enough room to walk the hallways.
The old school had long corridors of 10 classrooms just all crammed in on top of each other.
Kids were elbowing and people were jockeying for position. Now there's a different kind of a flow. It's allowed everybody to be a little bit more calm.
People have much more room.
There can be over 500 kids in this school and you don't really feel that they're all here. And in our previous building, you definitely knew that there were 500 kids in the building.
We just outgrew that building.
I like the classrooms because they have more lights that makes it more bright.
There's some amplification systems that are built into the ceiling. There's a big interactive board where teachers can project work. Kids can get up and touch and move things around.
They have like little areas that we can put our backpacks, like cubbies.
Outside of our classroom is actually pretty nice.
Just take the kids, go out into the common area, and because of the way the school's set up, it's nice and quiet out there.
The cafeteria is big and more open.
The library is just beautiful.
We were able to add a star field lighting.
Where you can just look up and it's like you're looking into stars and you can try to find constellations.
And then there's like these cubbies that you can sit in. I like the music room because it's a lot bigger. It has a door that can open where you can go into the gym.
There's amazing technology built in. Our old gym wasn't even big enough for us to have an assembly with all of our students.
And now we've got multiple places for them to play. We've got a gym that's twice as large. We have the covered area outside. The playground is fantastic.
I do like the new playground because as you can see behind me, it looks pretty fun.
Safety and security was a huge priority for the school bond, and obviously in building a new school, it was important for us to really be thinking about how do people access the school, how do people access the grounds.
Cameras pointed around the whole building, 180 degrees, 360 degrees. I mean, they just do awesome.
You have to have like a badge to get in.
This building is so secure that I love it.
I still kind of walk in with this moment of awe every day. For us to be able to come together as a team and really create an environment that we can be proud of and that we can thrive in just feels like such a gift.
This is not only a place for children and a place for teachers, it's a place for the whole community.
Thank you for the people that made this school. It's really nice to have a new modern school.
Thank you, voters, for all you have done for a new school. I love it.
Thank you, voters, for doing this, and thank you for the builders who built this school.
I like it a lot.
And so from the bottom of our hearts, we are so grateful and appreciative for everyone's support in making this happen.